Good evening to all. Today I am presenting my topic, how to promote family values in changing society. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing society, promoting family value has become more important than ever. With the rise of technology, social media and other distractions, it can be challenging to upload traditional family values. However, instilling these values in our children and maintaining them within our own lives is crucial for building strong relationship and creating a sense of unity within the family unit. Now we discuss about my topic, which is issue effects on the society which are more effective on the families and the society's impact. Number one, factors contribute to decrease in family values. The most significant changes in terms of the family structure have been the decline in the number of children a couple has and division of both domestic and paid work between the parents. The role of education in shaping family values. Value education is the process by the which people learn to develop and live according to their values. Families play a vital role in this process as they are the first and most important source of values for the children. Parents model behaviors and guide how to act the respond to certain situations. Other one, the impact of socio-economic factors in family values. Some of the major dimensions include the level of economic growth, level of education, level of health services, degree of modernization, status of women, level of nutrition, quality of housing, distributions of the goods and service and access to the communication. These are the major issues which effect on the families decreasing of the values. Next one is the decrease in family value, a global phenomena. This is a very large question around us. When we see all around in the world, every society is facing this type issues. So we discuss about this. What is the main reason of this decrease in family values is value in a global phenomena. First one, impact of modernization on traditional family values worldwide. Modernization has brought about significant change in the way people live, work and interact with each other, which had paid a profound impact in traditional family values. Some argue that modernization has weakened traditional family values, while others believe that it has strengthened them. The other one is exploring the shift in family dynamics in different culture and societies. The family performs several essential functions for the society. In socialized children it is provide emotional and practical support for its members. It helps regulate sexual activity and sexual reproduction, and it is provide the members with the social identity. The role of technology in changing family structure across the globe. The development of digital information age has shifted family communication from face-to-face interaction to communication mediated by the technology, resulting in changes in communication patterns and the emergence of a solitary lifestyle with the family. The other one is, what role does technology play in diminishing family values? Firstly, we discuss main these points, the impact of technology on family communications. The positive aspects of technology, such as the ability to stay connected with loved ones who are far away, but also delve into the potential negative consequences, such as decreased face-to-face interaction and the erosions of traditional family values. Offer practical tips and strategies for the finding in healthy balance between technology use and quality family time, ultimately aiming to strengthen family bonds in digital age. Other one, technology shape modern family dynamics. Yes, this is a very complicated and very important points of modern stage, which provides all types of family decreases in values. Like this, technology shape modern family dynamics. Technology and digital literacy can create disparities among family members, leading to potential conflicts and misunderstandings. Explore ways in which families can bridge this divide, fostering and supportive environment where everyone can benefit from technology while maintaining strong family values. Highlight the importance upon the communication, setting boundaries and promoting digital literacy within the family unit. Fourth reason, why is the important to promote family values in a changing society? What is the important? हम सब ये इतना ज़्यादा क्यों कर रहे हैं कि परिवार में जो पारिवारिक मूल्य हैं उनको बढ़ावा दिया जाए? The challenges faced by the families today's society and the importance of promoting values such as respect, communication and support to strengthen family relationship. And this one first is the impact of family values on society. Second, nurturing stronger family bonds in modern times. And third one, building a foundation of future generations. What are the challenges of promoting family values in changing society? This is the most relevant question is arising upon the society. This is false. In this concept, we discuss about what is the main challenges before the society, or in this one, this is first false concept of the freedom. Today we hear everyone to slogans for individualism, autonomy, independence, self-fulfillment, freedom, etc. The root cause of the negative sign we see in the families is in the fact of degradation of the human freedom, as what our selfish ego would like to do. Other one, depersonalize and dehumanize society. This is the major cause to decrease of the family values in the society. Our society is becoming more and more dehumanized and depersonalized day by day. Money, pleasure, competitions and self-interest are valued more than the person's good dignity and value. It is the in the place of fraternity fraternity and communication, polarization, fundamentalism and distrust are taking roots in the society. Love, justice, peace, respect for the other are gradually vanishing from the human relationship. Any kind of the violence is inflicted on a people. This is family relationship are also affected by the mentality. Other one, consumeristic culture. Consumerism resides is in our societies. People buy and accumulate any number of goods without considering its necessity, and it is even taking loans and just credit cards. It is estimated that it in consumerism Kerala is the first place among the Indian states, and so we have more number of TV, automobiles, mobile phones, big houses, beauty parlors, jewelry, soap, cosmetic soap, etc. Other one, negative influences of media. Media, TV, cinema, internet, cyber, clinics, mobile phones, newspapers create and fear of a new culture because of the media. Scantness of the family values like marital fidelity, family commitments are denigrated. These values are presented as a burdensome and detrimental to the personal developments of the individual person. Consumerism is fostered again through this media. Pornography is entering in the century of the family life and destroying the peace of mind of the members. Where media, especially TV, dominate academic achievements of the children tends to the lower their sensitivity to violence is dulled, sexual immorality is taken for the guaranteed. Other one, male domination. Thou ideally despite male domination or the discrimination against women are still prevalent in our society. There are abused sexually, mentally and physically in society, and it is in the family also. In the place of the inferior superior attitudes, equal partnership of sexes must be fostered, and that the should become the basis of the healthy family relationship. But the pervasive gender equality prevent women from the asserting their rights. Globalization imports not only products but also values. Often they are unethical. A database morality and a culture devoted of the family values like free on unions, trial marriages, same-sex marriages, divorces, abortions, free sex, free marital, extramarital relationship are also imported. Now we discuss about some strategies for the promoting family values in changing society. In this section we discuss about the some strategies to provide the family become gaining their family values for the society. Number one, communication. Open and honest communication is the key of promoting family values. Encourage your family members to share their thoughts, feelings and consent with each other. This will help build trust and strengthen your relationship. The other one is quality time. In a society that is constantly on go, it's important to make time for your family. Schedule regular family dinners, game at nights or outing for spend quality time together. This will help foster a sense of closeness and connection among family members. Other one, set boundaries. With the prevalence of technology and social media, it is important to establish boundaries within your family. Set limits of screen time, encourage face-to-face interaction, and create ease-free zones in your home to promote real connection. The other one, lead by example. As parents and caregivers, it is important to model the value you want to instill in your children. Show respect, kindness, honesty, and empathy in our interaction with others. Your action speaks louder than words, so be a positive role model for the family. Teach empathy and compassion in a society that can sometimes feel divided. It is crucial to teach your children the importance of empathy and compassion. Encourage them to consider the feelings and perspectives of the other and to show kindness and understanding in their interaction. Other one, foster independence and responsibility. Encourage your children to take and responsibility within the family, such as chores, caring for pets, or helping with younger siblings. This will help teach them the value of hard work, cooperation, and dependability. Seventh, celebrate traditions. Family traditions are a great way to reinforce values and create lasting memories. Whether it is a holiday celebration, a special meal, or a yearly outing, make time to celebrate and honor your family traditions. Seek sports. Building a strong family unit can be challenging, especially a changing society. Don't be afraid to seek support from friends, family members, or counselor if needed. Talking through challenges and seeking advice can help strengthen your family relationship. The last one is be consistent. Consistency is the key when promoting family values. Set clear expectations and hold family members accountable for their action. By staying true to your values and expectations, you can create a sense of stability and security within your family. Now we conclusion. Promoting family values in a changing society requires intentional effort and commitment. By communicating openly, spending quality time together, setting boundaries, leading by examples, teaching empathy and compassion, fostering independence and responsibility, celebrating traditions, seeking sports, and being consistent, you can build a strong foundation of values within your family. Remember that family is the most important unit in the society, and investing in your family relationship will have a lasting impact on future generations. Thank you.